Asiana we so share Adom TV no na NDC presidential candidate and then what is some ahodo to just say ye hunu no and they ahokyere no ne ade de see ye 1979 mu ma bantugo eba ye no ebia na eguso eba ede ahokyere no roso na ne nyina ye amamu a MPP aban emu ne ye ntia Dodroma ne Mahama no mu nsam a ode to dwede Opanyina wotu Frank Adema NDC amanyoko no wa fimpino ne dono na yabato ebekoso ewo my Ghana mu John Dramani Mahama insembia wode yatodwa enese ahokyere bia mre bi yesi ye wo man mu ye namso de aban tugu ebaye wo Jonfo fafi apema hankro ne aduosonkro ne mu no so de ne amaga na ahokyere koso man mu toto ho a enya kura woto anensem ne so akire mu se obi tu kwan de frama foforo mu abo my Ghana mu a na mamiense obedi ho adanse ene se de sikasem man mu nhyedan koya ama ahokyere abo man mu na sanso so no neku no ebe kasade afase de ne mabuo ayeden ewo man mu ni nyina ndan chen no okoya MPP amanyoko no esifebu o man ensoso enkoye.
That when that new dawn breaks, the governmental rot, the economic hardships, and the insensitivity to the plight of the people, and the offensive corruption and waste of the people's resources will be a thing of the past. To the millions of young Ghanaians out there for whom affording 1 meal a day is a very serious challenge, and for whom leaving this country in droves, even at the peril of their lives, is a preferred option. To the thousands of business people whose businesses face ruin because of the gross mismanagement of this economy, I urge you not to despair.
Enwechi ode to Ghana de nyina enemo se afimpenu ne dono na yabato ebekoso wo man mu no wo ma wonani enko ho no hwe ho no se obeto abade ma NDC amanyoko no na ahokyere ne ahohie o man enam no wonsesani enfama wo mu.
The June-4th uprising occurred for far less than what is happening in our country today. The national decay can only fester. The national decay can only fester under this NPP mandate. A new revolution, this time of a democratic and peaceful kind, must take place at the elections of 2024 to end the suffering of our people and enable us to begin resetting our nation.